Today we're unboxing the drawers and taking a look at what's inside. Comes packed up with styrofoam to keep it safe. We got an instruction guide here, as well as a complete set of hardware, including an Allen wrench. So it should come with one cross rod here. It's got these ends on it right here. Both of them look like that on the ends, and it's got a little connecting point right here where these open and close. The drawers come individually wrapped, and you'll actually get 6 of these drawers. They have a nice textured material feel to them, nice color, as well as some metal grommets here. And these actually open up like this, and this is the bottom of it. And it came with another piece like this that just slides into it to keep it nice and rigid. And I like that because now we have a nice drawer that we don't have to do anything to the handle to set it up. And if we ever need to move it or take it apart, it's really easy to pull that back out and then fold this back up for easy transport. The frame comes in a pile of metal pieces like this. Nice white color to it, feels nice and strong, nice and sturdy, as well as some bits that support the skeleton right here. And here's the top to it. That's made of a nice grained white wood. I really like that. Nice and solid sound to it. It's got these cool rounded edges, so nice and safe, even for little kids. Pre-drilled holes in it for the hardware to go into for the skeleton. And it looks to be about a 1/2 inch thick. So there you go. That's everything that you get with this drawer set. So there you go. It was really easy to put together. It's a nice, sturdy, stylish set here. It can even hold my body weight. All right.